Wanna not stop love man more than honor love and freedom, more than honor love and own life, more than honor love and self and on the kids them when. Let's talk about Leona Bradshaw, the 34-year-old baby mother of Philip Palwell, who is in custody and is possibly being charged for kidnapping and conspiracy to murder. And that is in relation to the disappearance and as presumed murder of Philip Palwell's other baby mother and the kid that they share together. Now, the JSF is reporting that they have enough evidence to charge Leona along with 3 other men that they believe aided in the disappearance and the murder of the man baby mother and him other child. The moment I heard this, I knew right away that it was a love triangle gone completely wrong. Now, I understand fully, so we love who we love. But when I see things, I get to the stage and the point in the relationship where you are now sitting down and scheming and thinking of a way for get rid of the next woman and the picking what the next man have. You don't realize say you lose yourself. You don't realize say no man, the relationship you not serve me no more. I need to put down this because it make me think too devious. So this beautiful girl, well-accomplished girl, said to herself, say, she rather hire some man for get rid of the man baby mother and his 10-month-old daughter just so that she can have the man to herself. I'm asking a question. On a thing so one can out-kill a man's desire to cheat? No matter how much millions you have and how much money you sit on pan, how much time you think you can hire a man for kill a next girl, forget your man to yourself. For make matters even worse, you have a child that if you get caught, if these men get caught and they rat you out, now your baby sit down without a mother. You know how dangerous it is out here to have a child, a girl pitney being raised without her mother in her life? When me I ever love a man more than how I love myself? When? I love deep, I love strong, you know, I'm wear my heart on my sleeve. But you're not gonna ever see me love no man more than how I love me and my freedom. In the heat of the moment, things can happen. I tell myself all the time, say all of us walking around, we are capable of murder. But when you sit down and conspire and plan and scheme and you find the money and you book a plane ticket for come to Jamaica and do your wrongs, it means they did have ample time for sit down and think. Nobody is worth your freedom, no matter how the dick good, no matter how the benefits good. Because when you go to prison, what you think the man are going to do? You lose the man same way. And next girl are going to ride after it there. While you in a prison and play hopscotch with the other prisoner them with your friends. Learn to walk away. It's when you see the relationship take a certain turn. When you see say you start a devious and wicked, step back. And I your man that. These are the same reason why no found no stop run up and down a obia man over a man. Obia man say the whole of summer phone up here over a man on a dirty up on a hand. If the man did respect you, him would have a 10-month-old baby upon you. I could talk about how it really go. So the problem are really the man. But you just can't see your life without him. Can't see yourself without that man. He's the one you want. No matter how I plan my life and my future with you, no matter how the benefits will come with you great, the moment you make me start think certain way, the moment you make me start certain way, the moment you start make me so miserable that I sit down at night time or lay down on my bed and I try to figure out when I can do forget with that girl here, at the time I realize that you're the problem and I need to get rid of you. I need to move you up out of my life and move on. But I do everything except for move on. But still if I move your on there because I straight to prison you gone and the man I go find himself a next girl if him never have her already. How it really go?